Hello everyone. Now we are going to see about ANOVA, analysis of variance. Introduction. The analysis of variance is developed by R.A. Fisher in the year 1920. With its help, it is possible to study the significance of the difference of mean values of large number of same sample at the same time. In agricultural research, where the effect of various types of soils on the output or the effect of different types of fertilizers on production had to be studied. F. Statistics. ANOVA measures two sources of variation in the data and comprises their relative sizes. Variation between groups, which means for each data value, look at the difference between its group mean and the overall mean. Next one is the variation within groups, which means for each data value, we look at the difference between the value and the mean of its group. Next is the classification of ANOVA. The analysis of variance is classified into two ways: one-way ANOVA, two-way ANOVA. One-way ANOVA. In one-way classification, we take into account only one variable, say the effect of different types of fertilizers on yield. Other factors like difference in soil fertility or the availability of irrigation facilities, etc. are not considered. If 4 different fertilizers are being studied, we may have 4 samples of, say, 10 fields each conduct the experiment. We will note down the yield on each one of the field of various samples and then try to find out if there is significant difference in the mean yields given by the different fertilizers. Two-way ANOVA. In one-way classification, we take into account the effect of only one variable. If there is a two-way classification, the effect of two variables can be studied. The procedure of analysis in two-way classification is total both the columns and rows. Basic principle of ANOVA. The basic principle of ANOVA is to test for differences among the means of the population by examining the amount of variation within each of these samples relative to the amount of variation between the samples. Applications of ANOVA. Common statistical design used in pharmaceutical industries. Compare heights of plants. Compare birth weight of deer in different geographical region. Pharmacy, biology and microbiological fields. Agriculture fields. Statistics, marketing, business research, finance, mechanical calculations, etc. Thank you.